The Bird Camp programme, run by the British Trust for Ornithology in association with the Cameron Besbolga Trust, has been supported by Bird Photographer of the Year with donations raised from competition entry fees. This spring, Bird Camp proved to be another roaring success, offering a jam-packed programme of activities aimed at educating, informing and encouraging. The knowledge of and enthusiasm for the natural world shown by these young people was an inspiration. It is reassuring to know that the future custodians of our world are such extraordinarily capable human beings. To continue to encourage their engagement through initiatives like this is essential. Perhaps then it is appropriate that we let them have the last word.
Bird Camp's been really good this year. It's my first year coming and I've enjoyed the whole thing.
It's been my first year at Bird Camp and I've really enjoyed every bit of it.
One of my favourite things was when we got to go nightjar ringing.
I've never seen so many cuckoos close up.
I really enjoyed seeing the bitterns close up at Laken Heath.
And we also had roding woodcock flying above.
I especially enjoyed doing moth trapping as I want to do it more at home.
We also saw lots of other species including marsh harrier.
I'm not sure now.